I knew Geller was a shark, but
It's all just a game to these guys. If they see a pathway to more money or power, they take it.
a hell of a way to live. If you exclude the Hamptons houses and the private jets.
I need to make it clear on Cross that Geller's so-called threats were hollow. They were just bluster and hyperbole. And that no matter how disrespectful Geller could be or how helpless Rossi felt, it didn't justify murder. The simple truth is, Rossi got tired of Geller degrading him, and he snapped.
If that's what you believe, shouldn't we be considering a lesser charge?
Excuse me?
You just said he snapped. If that's what you think, then...
Yeah, he snapped, but it was a cold-blooded attack. Based on rage, anger, hate.
Yeah, sure, but he was in a tough situation.
What do you mean?
He knew he didn't fit in, right? That he was different than most, if not all the other associates. Pretty sure they call that imposter syndrome.
I get it, and it's understandable for someone to have doubts about his or her status or sense of belonging within a highly competitive organization, but it obviously doesn't justify murder.
Oh, no, of course not. I'm just saying it explains the anger and stress. And, it's not easy to work at a place filled with really smart, really driven people who all went to the best schools when you were just a regular Joe. You try really hard to fit in and be one of them. Deep down, you know you're not.
I understand how difficult that might be. And it's easy for someone in that situation to feel insecure at times. But once again, it has nothing to do with this case. It doesn't matter that Rossi seems like a decent guy and that he was trying hard to fit in, or that he was being overworked and disrespected. That's the job. That's what he signed up for.
What can I say? I like to root for the underdog.
I know. But unfortunately, prosecuting decent people who do horrible things, people like Rossi, that's part of our job. That is what we signed up for.